Okay, here we are going to multiply a fraction by a whole number. So let's say I have 1/4 times 5. So step 1 says that we will rewrite the whole number as a fraction. And how we do that is we put the 5 over a 1. So if I rewrite the problem, I now have 1/4 times 5 over 1. The next steps are just like the steps from fraction times a fraction. We have the numerator times the numerator. 1 times 5 is 5. We have the denominator times the denominator. And 4 times 1 is 4. So now we have an improper fraction. So this is not a simplified fraction. We need to turn this back into a mixed number. So here's how we do it. We need to divide the fraction, and we do that by putting the denominator outside the house. So I put my 4 outside the house and my 5 inside the house. Now it's division. How many times does 4 go into 5? 1 time. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. So now I have these 3 pieces to my puzzle to build my mixed number. So the denominator is going to stay the denominator from the original problem. So I had 5 over 4, and 4 is the denominator, so 4 is still my denominator. The denominator outside the house is always the denominator. Okay? So then we have the number on the top, which was how many times 4 fit into 5, which was 1 time, which will be the whole number. And then the number at the bottom is going to become our numerator. So now that we know how to build our mixed number, let's put it together. I had one whole number with a numerator of a 1 and a denominator of a 4. So my simplified fraction is 1 and 1/4.